Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull for options trading. First, you'll need an approved Webull brokerage account. Make sure your account is fully verified and ready for trading. Then, you'll apply for options trading access directly within the app. It's a straightforward process designed to get you trading quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the steps. To begin your options journey, open the Webull app and tap on the More menu. From there, you'll find Trading Access and then Options. This will lead you to the application form. Be sure to fill it out accurately, providing details about your trading experience and financial situation. This helps Webull determine your eligibility and appropriate trading level. Webull offers different options approval levels, each allowing various strategies. Level 1 typically permits covered calls and cash-secured puts. Level 2 expands to include long calls and puts, along with basic spreads. As you gain experience, you might qualify for higher levels, which unlock more advanced and complex options strategies. Understand your level before trading. Once approved, ensure your account is funded. You can deposit money directly into your Webull account. Next, search for the stock or exchange-traded fund you wish to trade options on. Tap Trade Options and explore the options chain. Select your desired contract and strategy, then review your order before placing it. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.